Welcome to the untamed world of African wildlife and nature. A land teeming with magnificent creatures, stunning landscapes, and unparalleled biodiversity. From the iconic African elephants roaming the savannah to the majestic lions prowling the grasslands, the African continent is home to some of the most awe-inspiring creatures on Earth. But it's not just about the big mammals. Africa is also a haven for a plethora of bird species, with their vibrant colors and melodious songs filling the air, adding a symphony of sounds to the wilderness. Africa's landscapes are as diverse as its wildlife, ranging from dense rainforests to towering mountains, from endless savannas to vast deserts. The continent's geographical diversity creates unique habitats that support a wide array of plant and animal species. The African people have coexisted with wildlife for generations, with many tribes having a deep spiritual connection to the land and its inhabitants. Their traditional practices and rituals reflect their reverence for nature and its preservation. However, the African wildlife faces numerous challenges, including habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflicts. But there is hope. Conservationists, researchers, and local communities are working tirelessly to protect and conserve Africa's rich natural heritage, ensuring a sustainable future for both wildlife and people. African wildlife is not just fascinating to watch, but they also play critical roles in maintaining the delicate balance of their ecosystems. From predators keeping herbivore populations in check to pollinators ensuring the survival of plant species, every animal has its part to play in the intricate web of life in Africa.
Africa is a treasure trove of biodiversity, but it's facing unprecedented threats. Habitat loss and poaching are major concerns, and we need to work together to protect these vulnerable species and their habitats.
Community-based conservation is key to long-term sustainability. By involving local communities in conservation efforts, we can empower them to become stewards of their land and wildlife, creating a win-win situation for both people and animals.